でここで働いてる人たちが神様のその大義に自分がくっつく。
Working in a church environment is unique because we don't have to feel like we have to separate the gospel from our work. It is our work.
Y siempre en las posiciones que a uno le toca servir, siempre la contribución es significativa.
Through the Bishop Storehouse, humanitarian efforts, we are producing a product to go out to the poor and the needy all over the world.
El trabajo en operaciones y mantenimiento no es mantener edificios. El trabajo de operaciones y mantenimiento es ayudar a que el reino de Dios crezca.
ただの仕事ではなくて、主の大いなる大義を果たすための仕事なんだ。
The thing that I enjoy the most is the spiritual aspect of the work. Really feel that I want to put in my absolute best effort so that the Lord's kingdom can move forward.
I'm more than the average worker. I'm more than the person going to work at the bank because I'm not just a worker. I'm a servant of the Lord.
I'm more motivated in this job than I've ever been in any other job.
And I feel very happy and grateful that I'm part of hastening the work of salvation.
I know that I'm working for a greater cause.
I do make a difference in the things that I do, although they're not big things, they're little things that add up.